We are grateful to be recognized today by the Malaysia Book of Records for the most custom-made furniture designed for hotel. Through the months of hard work, collaboration, and creativity, Sunperry Furniture brought 144 unique furniture designed to life, all custom-made for Hyatt Centric Kuala Hotel. This achievement didn't happen overnight. It took months of collaboration, detailed planning, and hard work. We work closely with the interior designers, contractor to meet their needs and deadline while keeping within the client's budget. From design to material selection, production, and final installation, every step was carefully managed. We are grateful for the opportunity to deliver such a comprehensive range of custom-made loose furniture carefully designed to match the unique style of this hotel. We would like to thank the Malaysia Book of Records for recognizing our work and giving us this great honor. A big thank you to our Sunperry team. Your hard work, skill, and dedication make this possible. And thank you to our client for your trust and ongoing support. This award inspires us to keep pushing boundaries in custom furniture design. We will continue to deliver the best, unique, impressive, and high-quality furniture solution for every project.
Sunperry Furniture, Malaysia Book of Records.